In the smartphone world, some models just go with the flow, while others try to reinvent it. That's exactly the bet Nothing is making with its new phone 3A and 3A Pro. Unique design, well-calibrated OLED screen, solid performance at an ultra-aggressive price. These two models are shaking up the mid-range segment with an aggressive iron-sharpening positioning. These two models aim to carve out a space for themselves against the market giants by offering a unique user experience at a price that beats the competition. Nothing has bet on bold technical choices and a standout design, which is likely to attract tech enthusiasts and fans of smartphones with a distinctive look. All the links are, as usual, available in the description. Nothing continues to push the envelope by offering smartphones with a unique look. Like its predecessors, the Nothing Phone 3A features a transparent back that reveals the supposed insides of the device, along with the famous Glyph system, the LEDs. Interactive elements that respond to notifications, calls, and timers. The 3A Pro model, on the other hand, features a more prominent and slightly asymmetrical camera block to enhance its identity. Their phones maintain the brand's visual signature, featuring a textured plastic chassis and a tempered glass back. Panda glass for a premium finish. The edges are well-defined for an optimal grip, while the screen takes up more than 87% of the front, providing an immersive experience. In terms of resistance, we are sticking with IP64 certification. So it's splash resistant, but not for prolonged immersion. Three colors are available: black, white, and blue, with the latter being exclusive to the official Nothing website. Finally, a new feature makes its debut, the Essential key, located under the power button. This feature allows quick access to functions like screenshots or voice notes, making it easier to interact with the smartphone. A clever addition that brings to mind the action button on the latest iPhones. Both models share a similar technical specification, featuring a 6.77-inch OLED display in Full HD Plus with an adaptive refresh rate of 120 Hz. The brightness goes up to 1,300 nits, ensuring good readability outdoors. The color imagery has also been revamped for a display that's truer to HDR content, making the visual experience more immersive, especially for video and gaming enthusiasts. Under the hood, we have the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3, a processor built on a 4nm process that delivers solid performance for everyday use and smooth navigation. On the memory side, the Phone 3A is available in two configurations: 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, with 256GB of storage. On its side, the 3A Pro offers just one option with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, providing more space for apps and large files. Battery life is powered by a 5000 mAh battery with 50W fast charging, allowing you to go from 0 to 100% in less than an hour. On the flip side, there's no wireless charging, which is an acceptable trade-off considering the aggressive price point offered by Nothing. The Nothing OS 3.1 interface, based on Android 15, retains its minimalist and clean style with a black and white display by default. No unnecessary apps are installed, which optimizes storage space and system fluidity. The ergonomics are designed to be intuitive and quick, featuring smooth animations and a native dark mode that's particularly well optimized for the OLED screen. A new software feature is making its debut with Essential Space, a dedicated space where you can group notes, photos, and screenshots, with an AI that automatically organizes them for easier access. This artificial intelligence is said to become a major asset for organized users, allowing them to easily find their documents and ideas. In gaming, 60 FPS is maintained on most popular titles, and the heat is well managed even after several minutes of intense play. The smartphone also handles multitasking well, thanks to its LPDDR5 RAM, ensuring a smooth transition between apps without any noticeable lag. The Nothing Phone 3A comes with a triple camera setup featuring a 50MP wide-angle lens, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP 2x telephoto lens. The 3A Pro stands out with a 3x periscope lens that improves zoom quality. It captures distant details well. Optics. This periscope module really adds value for capturing details from a distance without compromising image quality. In broad daylight, both models produce detailed and well-contrasted images, even though the 3A Pro offers a more realistic color processing. At night, the noise management is decent, but the 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens quickly shows its limits with a bit too aggressive smoothing. On the other hand, the stabilization, sensor software, the wide-angle lens ensures sharp shots, even in low light conditions. Another advantage of the 3A Pro is the macro function, which uses the telephoto lens for very high-resolution shots. It's a handy mode for capturing small details with great precision, a feature that's pretty rare in this price range. Finally, on the selfie side, we have 32 megapixels on the 3A and 50 megapixels on the 3A Pro, with well-defined portraits and decent HDR management, allowing for quality self-portraits even in backlighting. The Nothing Phone 3A checks all the boxes in the ultra-competitive mid-range market. With its iconic design, 120Hz display, and powerful processor, it delivers a premium experience without breaking the bank. On the flip side, its camera module, while good, still has room for improvement in low light, and the lack of wireless charging could hold back some users. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro, for an extra €130, brings a real periscope telephoto lens. X3, a more defined selfie sensor, eSIM compatibility, and better optimization. It's clearly aimed at those who want a versatile smartphone, with good zoom capabilities and a more refined design. In both cases, Nothing continues to assert its style and proves that a mid-range smartphone can have a real personality. As usual, the links are available in the description. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao.